Hi. Light. Hi guys, it's me, Evan. What? What? My light is still on. I'm probably gonna have to. What? Iffy. I showed Peyton, and she said in a really calm state. She said, well, we're gonna have to let the boys agree on it, but she said maybe. My flashlight's still on. Oh. Yeah. Pizza pockets.
Daddy,
One of my favorite dinners. What?
Daddy might know how to get that off, and Jordan might know how to get that off. Have you tried calling Jordan?
No.
Start working.
Probably. Na 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 na. Oh. I'm gonna dance cause I love root beer.
That burns down battery right there, I'm telling you.
I know.
Yeah, I'll
I can't turn it off.
It won't go off?
No, it won't. Ah!
There's gotta be a way.
I'll fix it. Hold on. Let me do this. It's off of Musically. It's off of Feather Williams. I'm gonna dance cause I love root beer. Gonna dance cause I love the root beer. Okay, it's really hot in here. Steve!
Did you go lock that front door now that we're doing
Shh, yeah.
Okay, please.
Oreo! Sorry, baby.
Both locks, please.
Cookies. Come on. Going. Can't find the right words. Go. Lock. Think. Got it. Got it. You're welcome. Cookies. Hi. Hi. Oreo. Well, Mommy. Come here.
Shit.
On three, once I say 3, we're gonna say bye, guys.
Okay.
2, 2, hold on. Don't mind me. 1, 2, 3. Bye, guys!